Welcome to another video. Today we're in Mahdia. It's very far from Tunis. It took about almost 4 hours in a bus coming here. It is summertime, as you can see. That's the group I'm with. Everyone is in their shorts and whatnot. And we're going to do some swimming and everything, of course, but we're going to do some diving. So I'm very excited. And we're heading to the boat now to start the diving. So let's look behind us. That's the boat we're going to go with. So let's go. Put on our skin suits, you know, to go diving in. I think everyone is just about suited up and ready. And we're just waiting. We should be leaving the port soon to head out. Part of this group went on a smaller boat, and that's them in the back there. So it's the 2 boats, that smaller one and this big one heading out. So we arrived in the area where we're going to dive. Take a look behind me. There is an old fort, the Fort of Mahdia, right on top of the hill there. Take a look at the water. So nice and clear. Should be really good. I'm so excited. We just got our safety briefing and we're going to go in groups. So the first group is lining up to get equipped with the tanks and whatnot, and then they'll be heading in. It's a really good organized diving group we're with. They're called, let me see, Subway Mahdia. They're really organized. We have our boat that we're in. Very good equipment, it looks so far. We have the support boat in case of anything, you know, and everyone diving, you go with a monitor, so someone will be with you throughout. So even beginners like me, this is only the second time I'm diving, it's okay. As the first group is diving, we're having a good time jumping and swimming off the boat. It's really, really good. The water is very salty, so it's actually very easy to keep afloat. Check the guys here. Salut! Hello! It is so good. Good weather, beautiful water, good scenery, good people having fun. And we haven't even dived yet, and I'm having a ball. Back from the diving with my friend here. Yeah. How was it? Marwan. How was the diving? It was good? Yeah. It was really, really good. Yeah. We saw fish, a big school of fish, and I was swimming with it. I mean, it was so good. I hope the GoPro got the images so you guys can see it. But excellent. Good, Marwan?
Yeah, thanks you. Thank you.
finished the diving, we changed, and we're about to head back. I'm in the support boat, so heading back the same way but on the support boat, so it should be a bit more exciting this time. So we're about to get into the port. You see the boat behind us. This is Sophie Blue, right?
Yep.
So the Sophie Blue is behind us. And the captain of this boat is giving us some really good information. And there's the big boat coming in there. Whoa! So we just came back to port. I'm here with the captain.
Yes, my captain Najmuddin. Call me Nash.
Yes. It was such a good diving trip. I recommend anybody, you're coming to Tunisia and you're in Mahdia, you have to come and do these guys. What's the name of your tour group?
Subway Mahdia. Welcome. We are in the hub of Mahdia in the port,
Right.
directly in the port. This is scuba diving for beginner. We make for professional diver, and even dolphin trip. We make
Really?
sunset party.
Okay.
We make. We are diving and more. We make a
Right.
lot of things that people appreciate here in Mahdia.
And I could recommend them. This trip was fantastic. I did diving before, but this one was really good. Professional guys, and they know what they're doing. Subway Mahdia.
Everything.
Right, I'll put the website in the description for the video. Check them out, okay? After all of that activity, the diving, all that swimming, I swam a lot. And the salt water and everything, you know, we're pretty tired, but also very hungry. So we're all walking out, and we're gonna get something to eat. Lunchtime. Look at this place. We're sitting outside the restaurant, and it has this canopy of trees. It's so nice and so relaxing to eat and hear the birds. Sophie?
حبيبي عيني يا عيني يا ليلي يا مسهر عيني بنهاري وليلي.
We finished lunch and we're going to just walk about Mahdia a little bit and then maybe go and get some coffee. And look, summertime, so you know the jasmine is here. Just see that big structure with the long hallway that we passed through. What happened at Mahdia, this part is the old city. It used to be surrounded by a big wall, and that was the entrance how you got in. Most cities, as you know, in Tunisia has a souk. So this is the souk area for Mahdia. And they have some nice artwork on the wall similar to the one in Jeddah. So we walked out of the old city and then we came across the old mosque. That's the same old mosque we saw from when we were on the boat in the ocean. Alright, so we're seeing it from the other side. We were walking along the road and we came across a little cafe on the hillside, and you see some kids there, they're dropping off the rocks. It's built right on the rocks, it's really nice. So we're having something to drink. I'm here with Safa. I'm sorry. Yeah, we're just relaxing. When we have this, then we'll head back to the bus and head home. Yeah. We're so tired, but it was worth it, right?
So good.
Alright guys, I hope it was a good trip. You guys enjoyed it?
Yeah!
Alright, so we're going to head to Tunisia now. Remember to like the video.
Like.
To subscribe.
And there.
And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.
اكتب المكتوب ونكون احباب يا قلبي شوف الورق يشرب عليك
جداني معاك